Alright guys, welcome back. Oh my gosh! Welcome back to my channel. We are doing a smoke and leak detection test on my Nissan 180SX Type-X Midnight Purple car today. We are taking off their air intake to start with, taking off that sexy quick clamp, chuck it down there with your bolts and everything you're going to use for this. Now I've also got a mount for my pod filter, so I've got to take the bolts out for that. What a pain in the ass. Look at that thumb action though. Woo woo! Chuck all of that together so you don't lose it, or else you'll lose it. Chuck that off, chuck it on the table, boom. Next we're going to get our blue container, and this has all of our air testing fittings, all different sizes, got off Amazon, 1-day delivery, sweet as. Now we are going to get the right size one, and you're going to have to put some effort into this to twist it on both hands. Alright, now that's out, slide that on, boom, so easy. Now we're going to turn the air compressor on, slide the hose out. Oh, that goes. Oh, that's me. Connect that up. Now we need something to create some smoke. Now I've got nothing to create some smoke, but this looks like a piece of wood. Hopefully I can make some smoke and blow it in there. Alright, pressurize it. Now what you don't want to do here is to over pressurize this, because it could get really ugly and it could just blow out. Luckily that didn't happen to me, so we are home free. Now no smoke detected there, so let's move to the wastegate lines and see if we can find maybe a split hose, something going on. I make my own lines, so I would not be surprised if they are perfect, because my workmanship is just second to none. Now I just got to tighten these up, make it all airtight, tighten them up, boom, boom. Now get the air tire pressure thingy, click it on, pressurize it, check it out, it's perfect, it's perfect. Oh, alright, let's move on to the next one. Let's not take it out of the car. Oh no, why is that happening? Alright, looks like the wastegate is getting some hissing noises, so take that out, pain in the you know, it is what it is. It's in a really tight spot here, so it's going to take a bit of time to get out. Luckily we got fast forward though, so let's get that out. Now let's do a soapy, sexy soap bath on this thing and pressure test it. Oh my god, that is horrific! God damn! Alright, well that's shit. Let's take that out and reseal everything, because that was proper. Alright, layer that on with some Loctite, chuck it back in and seal her up. Now I'm going to have to chuck this thing in the vise to take the other line out. Now it's going to take a while, because you need to have a chance to like this video, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, just let me know. Obviously right here I am just cleaning out all the threads with a bit of brake cleaner. Brake cleaner. There's no such thing as brake cleaner. Don't ask for it, they can't give it to you. Alright, cleaning the threads out here, and just got to inspect them too. Make sure I've done just a terrific job there. Good boy. Alright, now we're going to slide that back on there. And now, what you're not expecting is for me to have a good twisting action there. Alright, another test here. Oh, check it out. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. Alright, now it's perfect. We need to put that little collar back in, and now you need to get your little whittle hammer out and put some pressure on it so you can fight the wastegate spring and re-clamp it up. It's a pain in the ass for one person, but just do it. Stop whinging. Now, just a reverse sort of cycle here. Get that clamp back on there. Oh, check it out. Look at wrap around it. Oh, so good. So good. Alright, well that was that, you know. That's pretty much as hard as it gets. You know, that could be pretty difficult, but it's really not. And if you do find it difficult, that sounds like your own issue that you need to work on. It's not my issue. So if you like this video, if it helped you, let me know in the comments. You know, subscribe if you want. If you don't, I'll find you and do some bad shit to you. But all good. Alright, we're done here, and thanks for watching.